Welcome to a vibrant voyage through the essentials of color wheel theory, an indispensable instrument for artists, designers, fashion enthusiasts, photographers, and color devotees of all kinds. This chapter will be a comprehensive exploration of the enchanting domain of colors where art, science, and aesthetics intersect. So, recline, unwind, and anticipate a dose of enlightening knowledge. What is the color wheel theory, you might inquire? It's our compass to understanding the intricate relations among colors. And the theory aids us in deciphering how colors communicate, how they can be fused, and how they impact each other. It's an instrument, a map of the color universe, that empowers us to traverse the rich terrain of hues with assurance and creativity. For painters, it serves as a guide to mixing pigments. For interior designers, it's a key to creating visually appealing and harmonious spaces. For photographers, it's a tool to achieve perfect color, balance in their shots. And for fashion enthusiasts, it's the path to stylishly coordinated outfits. Embarking on a historical note, the seed of the color wheel concept was in the ingenious mind of Sir Isaac Newton. Yes, the same Newton who is credited with the gravitational theory was also the architect of the foundation of color theory. In the year 1666, he performed an experiment with prisms which unfolded the truth that all colors originate from the spectrum of light. In this experiment, he passed a beam of sunlight through a prism and observed the spectrum of different colors that were projected. This spectrum, or color band, was then formed into a circular shape, thus conceptualizing the first color wheel. His groundbreaking idea serves as the bedrock of the color wheel we are familiar with today. The color wheel is essentially a captivating fusion of art and science. It isn't merely a basic circle of colors. Every color is positioned according to its chromatic relationship or hue value with others, forming a melodious equilibrium, a visual orchestration. It's this arrangement that provides us with a holistic understanding of color relationships. The chromatic relationship is the core of the color wheel theory. It dictates the placement of colors on the wheel. Primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, are equal distances apart on the color wheel. Secondary colors, orange, green, and violet, are created by mixing primary colors and are placed between them. Tertiary colors are formed by mixing primary and secondary colors and fill in the remaining spaces on the wheel, completing this chromatic harmony. And now, here we are on the brink of this journey. The color wheel, a mesmerizing blend of art and science, was first conceived by Sir Isaac Newton in 1666. It's a visual depiction of colors positioned according to their chromatic relationship. So get ready to delve into the world of colors, where each hue tells its own story and every combination creates a unique vibe. We begin our colorful journey with the primary colors. Red, a fiery and passionate hue. Blue, that mirrors the tranquility of the sky and the sea. And yellow, a color reminiscent of the warmth of the sun. These are the fundamental pigments from which the magnificent spectrum of colors is born. They serve as the base or foundation, the very DNA of the color wheel, that come together in various combinations to form the diverse array of colors we see in our everyday lives. Now let's take a deeper dive. When one takes a bold leap and decides to blend these primary colors, something extraordinary happens. They give rise to a new generation of colors, which we categorize as secondary colors. This palette brings forth green, a vivid representation of nature and growth, created by merging blue and yellow. Orange, a vibrant blend of red and evoking a sense of energy and enthusiasm. And purple, a soothing mix of blue and red, often associated with royalty and luxury. Each of these secondary colors is a unique fusion of two primary colors, symbolizing the limitless potential and versatility of colors. But what happens if we decide to push the boundaries a little more? What if we dare to mix these secondary colors with their primary parents? The outcome is a richer, more intricate variety of colors, known as tertiary colors. These include hues like red-orange, a fiery sunset, yellow-green, a fresh spring leaf, and blue-purple, a deep twilight sky. These are just a few examples of the intricate and beautiful array of tertiary colors that further amplify and enrich of the world around us. Each of these colors, be it primary, secondary, or tertiary, interacts with each other in a unique way, creating a harmonious balance within the color wheel. It's a symphony of colors, where each note complements the other, and the music they create together is the colorful world we perceive every day. So how exactly do colors interact with each other? Let's take an in-depth look at the spellbinding world of color schemes and their impact on design. At the core of any color scheme lies the concept of complementary colors. These are colors that sit opposite each other on the color wheel. When paired together, they provide a stark contrast, yet preserve a sense of energy and vibrancy. This striking juxtaposition makes complementary colors an excellent choice for designs that require a pop of color. Think of the vibrancy of red-green Christmas decorations, or the bold contrast of blue and orange in a movie poster. Moving on, we encounter analogous colors. These are colors that are situated next to each other on the color wheel. They exude a sense of tranquility, harmony, and unity. By using analogous colors, designers create a soothing and relaxing visual atmosphere. Picture a serene sunset with its smooth gradation from red to orange to yellow, or the calming green hues in a forest landscape painting. These are instances of analogous colors at work. At work, creating a visually cohesive and harmonious design. Another interesting arrangement to study is the triadic color scheme, a scheme which leverages colors that are evenly distributed around the wheel. This setup results in a balanced but daring and dynamic color effect, injecting a lively spin to any composition. Triadic color schemes are often used in designs that aim to imagine the primary colors in a child's toy set, or the bold trio of red, yellow, and blue in a circus poster. Lastly, we revisit the triadic color scheme, but this time let's dive deeper. Different from analogous and complementary schemes, triadic schemes offer a more complex interplay of colors, creating a bold and dynamic visual effect. The colors, though diverse, are in perfect harmony with each other, like the visually striking combination of purple, orange and green in a Mardi Gras theme, or the balanced use of teal, coral, and yellow in a summer-inspired design. By understanding and exploring these color schemes, we unlock the potential to create visually stunning and impactful designs that can evoke a range of emotions and responses. Delving into the world of color isn't merely an intellectual pursuit. It holds tangible, practical implications. The color wheel, often an underestimated tool, becomes a remarkable instrument for artists, designers, and hobbyists alike, aiding them in breathing life into their imaginative concepts. When we examine the applications of colors in our surroundings, their profound influence becomes unmistakable. Different shades have intriguing abilities to invoke emotions, shape thoughts, and induce reactions, a fact well established throughout history. By using the color wheel theory in design and art, one can harness this power to curate a language of colors, an expression that transcends beyond the visible spectrum. Envisage an artist's palette or a designer's project. The chosen hues serve as a mode of communication, articulating moods and messages in a subtle yet potent manner. Colors infuse the canvas or space with an aesthetic appeal, while also layering it with significant undertones and impactful. The color wheel, in this respect, is not just a tool, but a compass guiding the way to a treasure chest of creative color possibilities. It enables one to navigate the vast spectrum of hues, to blend and match, to contrast and compare, ultimately defining the tone of their work. So, whether you're an artist about to stroke the brush or planning to redesign a room, remember the color wheel. It's not just a guide, but your personal map, leading you on an exploration of the extensive world of creative color possibilities, making your artistic journey an enriching and enlightening